going? Let's see, got some chickens here. I think this one right here and that fluffy one in the back are the ones that lay eggs. They lay eggs up in here, but there's a lot of chicken poop in there, so I'm not going to show you that. Just they lay eggs right there, and right there, and then right there. And then they got food and then water. Hello, Fluffy boy. Fluffy boy, how's it going? How's it going? They're scared of us, so they don't attack. I don't know what this video is. It's just chickens. It was suggested, not by someone who watches my channel, by someone in real life. This little guy. Hello. You can feed them this stuff right there, and feed them that. I usually go back here and grab one of these long pieces, and then just let's feeding the chickens. Stick it through, and oh, jeez, there it goes. You know, like, yeah, I stick it through, and then they grab it. Yeah, it's perfectly fine to do this. If you have a chicken, please make sure that you can feed them this. It's just hay. It won't hurt them. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. No, don't. I'm trying to grab the leaf. No, don't. No, it's bad for you. Yeah. Freak you, leaf. Yeah, so this is just going to be an uncut video with an intro and an outro, as you probably are going to see here in a second. And then let's just give them another. Oh, jeez. I'm not looking at the camera right now, so sorry if it's bad. Hey, buddy. Want some? Yeah, get it. Yeah. It's so cool. It's just little chickens. You see, we're not at my house right now. We're in Colorado. I'm not going to say where, but we're in Colorado. That's all you need to know. Now, I live in California, but we're in Colorado right now. I'm not going to say the city I live in. That's stupid. Here, get that. Oh, get it. Yeah, you got it. Get it, chicken. Yeah, you're chicken. Haha, you're a chicken. And you might want to, you can scare them. Oh, stopping down on the rocks, so I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. No. But yeah, these are just chickens. You got chicken coop. You got this little overview of their cage right here. It's pretty cool. It's a really cool cage. Got air conditioning, and then we got all